Hello, my name is Mardek Paharilio Chanueco. I am 40 years of age. I am from Philippines and I have two beautiful children and of course a very lovely wife. I have been to a lot of working environment from food industry, real estate. I have also worked in an office as an admin staff and I have very wide range of experience in retail sales and marketing industry. So I have worked abroad as well for almost 20 years in United Arab Emirates. I started to work with Huawei Telecommunication Company in Dubai since 2013 to 2022, and I have decided to go back, settle down in Philippines in my home country for some important matters. So fortunately, I did not lose my job in Huawei because of my dedication and loyalty in my company. So that is why the management decided to continue my journey with them, even in Philippines. So now I am working here in Huawei as a regional training manager for almost 2 years and 3 months now. And I am responsible for 105 promoters and as well as 16 core teams in my region. Providing such a unique kind of training for them to understand the technology and innovation of our product. And I'm also responsible for a recruitment of applicants, dealers training, and even events product launching preview. So I love food. I love food a lot, and I am very friendly person and easy to be with. So I am very excited grabbing this chance in applying for EF Jewelry Company. Why I decided to apply for them is because I wanted to experience a different industry or line of work for me to improve more about or to add some knowledge about the word luxury, craftsmanship, and even fashion. So it is new kind of experience, not in sales, but with the product itself. So hoping that you will consider me to be part of your team, and I will not give promises, but I will give results that would benefits in your company. So please, hoping for your kind consideration for this one. Thank you so much.